Very good. Yes. Okay. And
I know that plants give us oxygen.
they sure do. We couldn't breathe without them. What do we give them?
Carbon dioxide.
We get oxygen. What do we give them? That's our gift to us. What do we give them? Carbon dioxide. Very good. Yes.
I don't know that.
You did?
The flower holds the pollen. Yes.
That's why I don't like you to cut trees down.
It sure does. It makes the seed. So you all, you know everything I do. So thank you for coming. And you made
We just learned that.
All right, let's talk about, first of all, what do your eyes do? See, your nose, smell, your ears, hear, your mouth, taste, and your hands, feel, and your feet, run. Yeah, and we have many parts. We have one body, but we have many parts, and each part has a special function that just it can do. We can't walk on our nose, right? We can't taste with our feet. We have different things for that. Well, that's the way plants are too. So let's talk about it. It sounds like you've been studying about the plant. So what do plants start out as? Tiny little seeds. And what do they need in order to grow? Water, air, sunlight, soil, air.
You forgot one.
Water.
Space.
Mercury. Space. Food. All right, so we plant the seed in the soil. And what's the first thing that comes out of that seed? The first thing, yes. Roots. Now, what do the roots do they grow down or do they grow up? Down. And what do the roots do? Yes.
They get the water from the soil.
Yes, they take the water from the soil. What?
You just said water.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. So they take the water from the soil and they sip it up just like a straw and they take it to the stem. What's the stem's job? Yes.
Take the water up to the flower part.
It takes the water from the root and takes it to the next part of the plant, which is the leaf. And what's the leaf's job?
They make the food.
They make the food for the plant. And then at the top we have a
Flower.
And the flower's job is to
Hold the seeds. Reproduce.
make the fruit. Make the seeds. Yes, they make fruit. And inside the fruit is the seed. That's right. All right, so we're going to talk about each part of the plant. We're going to do a little experiment or a little game or something for each one. And the first thing we're going to do is talk about the root. The root's job is to go down into the soil and sip the water. Do we eat roots?
Yes.
Yes, we do. The carrot is the root of this plant. Do we eat the carrot? Yes. Now, the first root that comes out of the seed is called a tap root. Can you say tap root?
Tap root.
Yeah, kind of like. Okay. And it goes down into the ground. Now, that is the very main root. And from there, the rest of the roots grow out of that tap root. You can see that on the carrot. Another root that we eat is a radish. Bless your bones, Jim. And another root is the radish that we eat. And this is the tap root. It goes down into the ground and it holds the plant still. Now, all these little other roots that come out, we can cut some of those, not all of them, because that will cause the plant to die. But we can't cut the main root. We can't pull this out or the whole plant dies. Yes?
Is that real?
This is real, yes.
The carrot was real.
The carrot is real. Yes, it is. All right, so we're going to play a game pretty quickly, okay? Because I am Mother Nature. And Mother Nature can be kind of hard at times. I can be kind of mean. So if you get out, don't get mad. It's just part of the game, okay? And it's usually because I caused you to get out. So don't sit there and get all happy about being out, okay? It's just part of the game. And what you're going to do is when I say go, I'm going to say plant your root, and you're going to put your root down. And when I say go, you're going to pick up as many chips as you can. Now you can move this foot. You can move this way, you can move this way, you can move this way, you can move this way. But you cannot move this foot. If you do, you pull your taproot. What happens?
You die.
To a compost pile you go. All right? So, right now let's stand. Oh, and also, can a big tree live on just a drop of water?
No.
No. So what you're doing is you're competing with the tree next to you. You're going to try and get all the sunshine and the water and the nutrients as you can get. You just keep picking up as many as you can and try to get it before the trees next to you do. Okay? All right, so let's stand up and let's practice for a second. And you want to get where you want to be. All right, this is practice. Ready? Oh, take your coats and just put them on a chair. We don't need it. Our coats don't need to wear. I mean, our trees don't need coats. All right, ready?